So one of the things that you can do in SketchUp is go ahead and add in 3D text to your liking. So to do that, all you need to do is go to the Tools menu and then choose 3D text. So once you do that, you can go ahead and type in whatever you want. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and type in tube in all caps. So I'm just going to go around over here and you can go ahead and select out the font as you like. So I'm just going to go around over here and select, let's say, for example, something like permanent marker right here. And then you can see that you can also choose the weight is right here, just like this. Or let me just go around over here onto Open Sans, and you can see that I can go for italics as well, depending on whether the font supports it or not. So I'm just going to go around over here and then let's say, for example, select out something stylish like the bully right here. You can go ahead and work around with the alignment of the text as well right here. Make it filled right here just like that and extruded to certain inch. So I'm just going to say 2 inch right here and height is going to be 10 inch. So let's just go ahead and place, and then you can go ahead and place it wherever you want, as you can see right here. So let's just go around and place it right here just like this. Once you do that, you can see this particular text right here. You can go ahead and click and drag and place it wherever you want right here. And as with any other objects, now you can go ahead and edit it out as you like. For example, you can go ahead and double click it and select individual face right here just like this. Use the push and pull tool right here to pull out individual face right here just like this as well. So let's just go ahead and select out this face. Let's say, for example, use the pull and push tool to go ahead and pull it out right here. Click outside and this is what you have right here. Apart from that, you can also go around over here and add in different materials to it. So I can go ahead and select and apply out these materials as I like, as you can see, and that is added onto the text just like this easily. So this is how you can go ahead and add in 3D text as you like inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.